How did it go today?
Any comment today?
Nothing to say right now. Excuse us. Excuse us.
Make way, please.
Sorry. There's nowhere to go.
Pardon me, please. Everybody make way.
Come on.
Make way, please.
Thank you for what you're doing. Well, maybe don't try not to push me.
To check your truth accounts, President Trump will continue to stand for the truth, to stand for facts, and will continue to deny the wrongdoings that he... Now here's the bottom line in this case. President Trump is fully in his right to completely deny these false accusations. And the judge up there has denied President Trump the basic American right to say that he's been wrongfully accused by a woman who he does not know, who he never truly met, a photo line does not count, and who has been falsely accusing him time and time and time again.
Donald Trump was in a Manhattan courtroom this morning for the start of the second civil trial against him related to allegations brought by Carroll, a columnist who says that Trump sexually abused her in the luxury department store Bergdorf Goodman in the mid-90s. This trial is expected to be brief, and it's very narrowly focused on the issue of damages. The previous trial, Trump was found liable for sexually abusing Carroll. And this is really just focused on the question of how much he might have to pay for tweeting about her, saying that these allegations were not true. Trump's attorneys made the case today that Carroll has benefited from her association with Trump, that she's been able to sell books, that her star has risen, basically. And attorneys for Carroll really hammered home the point that Trump has continued to bash her online. They said, what will it take for him to stop doing this, if not a significant penalty? Trump, meanwhile, was in court for the jury selection process in the morning. He didn't speak, but he expressed himself through facial gestures and hand gestures. At one point, the judge asked if any of the prospective jurors thought Trump had been treated unfairly by the court system, and Trump sort of slyly raised his hand, prompting some laughter from the room. At another point, he shook his head when the judge clarified that during the last case, it was proven in the judge's telling that Trump had sexually abused Carroll. Carroll is expected to testify tomorrow, and Trump, if he does testify, would likely, that would happen on Monday. A judge has told Trump that if he is going to testify, he cannot speak on several subjects. He can't relitigate the sexual abuse claim, and he can't claim that he doesn't recognize Carroll, as he said before. Trump's attorneys are not happy about these restrictions, to put it mildly, and we still don't know at this point whether or not Trump will testify.